BlackBerry is back, and boy do they mean business. This is the new Key 2, the super secure Android smartphone with physical keyboard that's got loads of handy time-saving features. Let's take a closer look. The Key 2 is slim, lightweight and incredibly durable. The 4.5-inch display is covered by impact-resilient Gorilla Glass, and the textured diamond back is non-slip, so it's really comfortable to hold and use. Then of course you've got the iconic physical keyboard. Once you get a hang of flick typing with predictive text, you wonder how you ever manage without it. Plus, you can do all the usual BlackBerry tricks. You can use it as a trackpad to scroll through lists and menus, and you can create 52 customizable shortcuts from your home screen. So if you're a music fan, for example, S could be Spotify. And there's a new customizable speed key that lets you access your favorite apps and actions from anywhere. If you're in Facebook, hit the speed key and G together, and you can jump straight to Google. To help you keep the Key 2 secure, there's an integrated fingerprint scanner on the keyboard and loads of built-in privacy features. According to BlackBerry, all this makes the Key 2 the most secure Android smartphone ever. For the first time on a BlackBerry phone, there's a dual-lens camera. It takes great snaps in low light, and its optical super zoom gives you photos full of detail, even when you're shooting from a distance. Last but not least, keeping the Key 2 powered up is a big battery capable of lasting up to 2 days on a single charge. And with fast charging 3.0, you can get around 50% of power from just half an hour of charging, which will be really handy if you're in a hurry. You can order the BlackBerry Key 2 from Carphone Warehouse right now by clicking the link on screen.